Hello, hello! Sa mga nagre-request, nandito na po. Na i-vlog ko po yung cake na ginagawa ko. Actually, normally, pag gumagawa ako ng cake, talagang nakafocus yung mind ko kasi most of the customized cake na ginagawa ko po is random talaga yung design. Yung tipong sasabihan ka ng kliyente mong ikaw na bahala. Basta ganito ang kulay, ganito yung theme. So, yun. So, I was blessed lang talaga kasi most of my clients are really kind and hindi po sila yung tipong uh, yung easy kausap pa. Yun. So, anyway, this cake is a two-tiered cake. Yung top tier po is, yung size niya po is 6 by 7. And then, yung bottom tier naman is 9 by 8 po. And then, yung theme po ng cake na po ito is a butterfly cake. Yun. And then, the color is pink, baby pink, para siyang ombre. Something like that. At ayan na po, this is a christening cake nga po pala. Yes, malaki siya. Oh my gosh. And then, one thing po na request ng client is ayaw niya ng mga artificial flowers. And then, ayaw niya din sa yung parang real flower kasi daw baka mamahalan siya. So, I did marshmallow flowers po dyan with the help of my partner po. And so far, it looks perfectly. It looks so good. And actually, first time ko po na gumawa ng marshmallow flower dyan. And I think I'm going to keep on doing that sa ibang mga cake, customized cake design ko po. And then, yes, so far, yung inspo po ng cake na ito is actually iba sa yung tipong nagawa ko na. But, you know, as what I said, I don't know how I did it, but so far kung ano yung maisipan ko lang randomly na design sa cake is yun lang yung ginagawa ko. But of course, kung minsan dinodraw ko rin po yan. And then, ina-apply ko na lang po yan sa cake. And I make sure that everything is yung tipong nagmamatch din po siya. So, yan, medyo masyadong meticuloso po yung tawag nito, itong design ng cake na ito. Kasi it's for, tawag nito, or gusto kasi ng client is gusto niya maraming butterfly. As long as maraming butterfly. And you know, once there's a butterfly, there is a flower. So, yun. So, anyway, ayan na siya. Makikita mo na yung improvement ng customized cake na ito po. And then, yes, ayan na po. Tapos na po siya. Kamusta naman? Maganda ba yung cake? Pa-comment naman please. Thank you. Hopefully magustuhan nyo rin po guys. Thanks for watching.